Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a daily time frame. So still keeping up with the pattern that started here: a green candle, red candle, green candle, red candle, so green, a red, and another green. So the pattern repeats. Let's see if it breaks today. And what you see here is what we had analyzed on the last trading day. This is all what you see in red is liquidity, sell side liquidity, and all that you see in green is buy side liquidity. It's Nifty perfectly bouncing between the sell and the buy side liquidity. The bias is, it seems like it's shifting towards but it looks like the buyers are taking over, but it could be looks can be very deceiving. So let's go and delete whatever we analyzed in the previous day and start afresh, like we always do. And this is it. So what we do here is we start with the monthly time frame and work our ways down to the hourly time frame, and we try to gather a bias on each time frame and look at where buyers and sellers are, where supports and resistance are. So this is on Nifty on a monthly time frame, and I do not have a bias on this. Why? Because for a bullish bias, I would need a higher low to be created, and for a bearish bias, I would need a lower high to be created. So none of it exists here. And where are the buyers and sellers? Well, the big sellers are right here in this at this swing low. Let me mark them in red. Very important sellers. You see, they have been sold off for a month. It looks like they're selling us off for the next month. Huge sell side liquidity there. And the buyers that I am sure of are right here until let me mark it in green until this monthly candle closes. This is where I'm sure of. When this closes, then the buyers are here. So moving on to the right here, you see this. I do this manual entry here, and this is an indicator that I'm testing. Leave it alone. So 8 is not sure. Moving over to the weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? Look at this swing high, and this is a lower high. So that is the reason Nifty is bearish. Now, important, where are the buyers? The buyers are right here in this fair value gap, which is supposed to be in green. It's a weekly fair value gap, and this is the buy side liquidity, huge buy side liquidity. That's actually where preventing Nifty from falling all the way till here, this monthly level. And that's that. Going over to the and Nifty is bearish, yeah. But going over to the daily time frame, on a daily time frame, what is the bias on Nifty? Nifty has turned bullish. You see, this is a low, this is a higher low, and this is another higher low. So Nifty has turned bullish on daily time frame. What can stop Nifty from flying is this sell side liquidity fair value gap. What is a fair value gap? Fair value gap is when a large number of market orders are executed, then the limit orders are left behind, and that's where these guys are sitting. The limit orders are sitting, limit sell orders are sitting. That's a big one. And there's another one right here. So there are two fair value gaps and one important level. So that's all the sell side liquidity that can actually keep Nifty below a certain level for a long time, until and unless new buyers come in. The opposite is also true. Going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, this is a swing low, this is a swing low. The new one is higher than the older one, so therefore Nifty is bullish on a 4-hour time frame. Buyers and sellers, well, this is a good this is where sellers are on a 4-hour time frame. Let me mark it with a thinner line. Where can I find the thinner line? Yeah, right here. So on a thinner line, and where this is where the buyers are, and where are the sellers? The sellers are, well, incidentally, the sellers are right here. This could be, well, this level could be invalidated with a higher open. So that's what I'm expecting, and I'm not sure. Nifty can go anywhere. Going on to the hourly time frame. On hourly time frame, Nifty is This Nifty is bullish. This is a swing high, and this is a swing high. So Nifty is bullish. Sellers at the same level. Buyers, there is a difference. Well, buyers are right here. That should be in green. So let's take a protracted view here. Let's look at this. These are where this is how the chart of Nifty looks. There could be some consolidation in this area unless there's like huge buying coming into the market, which I am not sure if it will happen, because it's not, the market is not extremely bullish. The rupee is falling. The crude oil prices are the only thing that can actually keep Nifty a little positive. Otherwise, everything looks bad for Nifty right now. The worst being the falling rupee. That's it from my side. I hope you have a good trading day. I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.